Welcome you all. Corporate Accounting, third semester BCom, chapter number 6 of Davangere University, session 49. Chapter title is Recent Trends in Corporate Accounting. In this particular session, the student is going to understand the concept of value added statement, what it means actually. As per the syllabus, we have only concept, not in detail study of the concerned topics. In the previous session, in the previous classes, we discussed and learnt about liquidation of companies, how a liquidation statement is prepared, how a remuneration is calculated, and all those things. After this session, the students are able to understand what is actually value added statement. Now come to the value added statement. What it means. Value, we know actual value are extra to the existing values. And here value added statement is like a financial statement. It depicts, it reveals the wealth created by an organization and how is that wealth distributed among various stakeholders. How a wealth which is distributed by the organization is going to be distributed among the stakeholders like shareholders, government, creditors, and the wealth that is retained in the business. What actually retained remaining in the business is going to be distributed among the concerned shareholder of the organizations. And here it can also be defined as the value added is also be defined as difference between the value that the customers are willing to pay for the finished goods and the cost of materials. Here actual value of that particular product is going to be defined like this. A customer is ready to pay how much of amount and the actual cost of production of that particular material. And in other forum, with an example like this, offering a year of free services to the computer on purchase of a new computer, that is a additional value to be added. Like this, the value added statement is going to be prepared. At an individual firm level, value added is measured as sales revenue minus the cost of all goods and services purchased from outside the firm. We know that again value is nothing but actual sales revenue received by an individual seller, we deducting after deducting the cost of all goods and services purchased from outside the firm. This is called value added statement. Overall, in a simple word, value added statement is a statement which reveals or depicts the total wealth created by an organization and how that wealth is going to be distributed among the various stakeholders. This is value added statement. We can see a example of multiple choice question, how a question is raised from value added statement. Which one of the following is a value added activity for a company that manufactures bicycles? So bicycle manufacturers, in the point of view, what is the value added? See, first option A, moving a tire to the rework area, placing a reworked brake on a bicycle, reworking a bicycle for the second time, inspecting a reworked bicycle. And the answer is B, placing a reworked brake on a bicycle. This is example of multiple choice question for value added statement.